for Nigeria. See, they grind money, then grind money.
My people, now welcome to my channel. I bring this news come for now. This Nigeria, people they cry, say no money, no food. People they hungry. Now they say money one and they born. Now they say money one and born to hatch it. Why? Why are we so something else? I don't know the word one I could use so that why? Why are we like this? Why? 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 Country. When we forget leaders, when we forget government. I not sure say government in that country. When people they cry, people they naked, just because of say money not they ask. Now pack all the money for outside. Now put fire. Now say make the children of Nigeria they hungry. Una say make we they suffer. Una pack all our money. Now go burn. Now go burn. When the world they face hardship now everywhere, crisis. My people, may we watch the video together.
Was just raising now. I beg, what is this? What is this? But if you move closer now, you see our money. And we suffer for Nigeria. See, they grind money, then grind money. See, all this one are money, then grind down. See, now money be this. And you know, then grind money, see money. See money, then grind money. See, all this one are money. See, then grind money. They come. See, Nigeria people. Was just raising now. I beg, what is this?
I don't cry for Nigeria. No, I seize my tears. When people, mama, they naked for bank. Our mother, when we see the money, say, okay, a mother, now this one, brother, now this one. They don't feel withdraw money. No, be say government, now they say, una citizens, they suffer. Una collect money for outside. Now go put fire. I know swear for now. Now don't already bow myself, swear to myself. I know swear. The innocent soul of Nigeria, he will fight. God who made that country they exist, he will fight. God who made that, in fact, who made that Nigeria be the highest black human being in the whole world, who make us come out in that country, he will fight our battle. Anybody will get hand for that burning of money, your reward they wait for you. I will not say anything. People they suffer. If now 100 people use this money to change their life, everlasting, their generation unborn will never suffer. We never take stuff suffer. Una so na dry money for outside because of new notes, because of waiting there outside, all those boku. Now dry money for outside. All those people when they forest so that they don't see money use again. May they see how they want to come outside, can't change the Naira, the new Naira notes. No be una say they give them. No be the government say they give them. Who now they deceive? Now me una they deceive. When people they cry, everything don't high, everything don't increase. Una not they about una citizen. How we take they survive? How we take they live? No will be me while still young. At least our old people, our elderly people, our special people. In fact, I was short of words. My country, Nigeria, now not they try. Government not in that country. Today I know government not in that country. Una open una eye. The government when they if not be government do one. Una go so that not see this thing when these people do this person when do one. Una tell me so that no fit do investigate to know who do this. I no fit call her name. Una say that they rule the country. Una no fit rule anything. People they die from hungry. People, mama, they cry. They put fire for person picking body. Put something follow on. It start to do because of no money for outside. Not because some people not get money to take do things but now drive just because of so now get power. Some people power won't not get them. They not really deserve her. Some people power won't not the guilt. They not really deserve her. Wait till na do. If it good for God eye, if it good for human being eye, if it good for small pikin when they take mama breast eye, if it good for anybody eye, it go good for now. Shall be well with you guys. But if it's not good for God eye, people they pass through, people they hungry, things don't increase. Now receive the reward. I don't get anything when I could talk. Because when I see this, I broke down. That is why this our brother, Losa. Yes, now. This our actor, Nollywood actor. He said people just they say Obi, Obi, Obi. He said we be movement, we dey move. He said because I wait till he talk, I really feel that guy vibe. He said everybody they say LOP, LOP. He said no, Labour Party. He said no, we not be party. We be wounded Nigeria youth for NSAS. He said, you know, that is true. Wait till that guy talk. Because I know people talk about this video. Wait till that guy talk is 100% true. Maybe I will do a video about that. I will check again. You no need say you be APC, you be PDP, you be Labour Party. Now the good one, the good people, one I know say, okay, this person can do well. Now they vote for. He said, because they say Labour Party, they not be politicians. We be wounded Nigerians who need change for our country. He said you can vote for this person. That particular good person, if it is PDP or APC, go and vote that person. We are not politicians. We be youth where we need change in our country. We vote for Obi because we know he could do something. We vote for Obi because people like him. We are not doing politicians. No, go watch that guy video. If you see somebody will go do well, don't be said, what did I call him? Labour Party. And any candidate will come out for Labour Party, they will vote for him. The guy said no, and I seek a lot for inside that guy. He said it can be anybody. So for that person, maybe say he go work. We not be politicians. What did that guy talk? And if not read that now, say he makes sense. The PDP when they talk so, I be an first talker. Good people there. The APC, good people there. This Labour Party, and one thing about Nigeria, as if they say Labour Party, now they're top now, all the thieves they will pack go there. Wait till this our brother Musa talk now read through. Now not be politicians. Now they vote the bad people out. I know say no reach na hand, but God will do it. Nothing God not fit do. If God no say na true Obi that will take collect our country, God will put in there. If na this Tinubu when enter, whether he get bad motive, they can say they pass God, he enter there. May God of vengeance, he fight. If that Tinubu will still change Nigeria, may God give him the strength to change the Nigeria. We just need change. We are not a politician. As this our brother talk, Musa. We are not a politician. We vote for Obi because we see say he young. And we vote for Obi because we say he go fit do something. He's smart. We should stop the labor. He said no. How people say we get government for Nigeria? See money when they throw it. See money when they born. Youth they cry. He says see money. My country. May God have mercy on that land. I will never still forget, as I always talk, if I talk about my country. The prophecy of Prophet T.B. Joshua must surely come to pass in that country. He said we should wash and pray. He said all our crisis, all our hardship, it don't end. All the problems they face for that country, Nigeria, he said it don't end before you go rest. And I believe the God of Prophet T.B. Joshua will fight for that country, that Nigeria. Not by our power. We don't have power. Who have power to fight? We don't have power. It's God that will fight our battle for us. It's God that we are calling the innocent citizen of Nigeria. Now God will they call. The God that answered by fire. Come down for Nigeria's sake and fight for your children. We are tired. We are tired of that country. We are not tired, God, to live as a human being. But we are tired with all those evil, I will draw my word, all those leaders. They call themselves leaders. Now France want for bomb money now. You go for it. Now abroad, you want for bomb money, you will go for it. What is this? My country, Nigeria. I broke down. Country went government for the work. This kind of thing will never ever happen. Why burning money? Why? Now don't hear say person they will change, country go change money. They'll just say, any money when you get, when you carry, I mean go the burn and when you go the chopper. Now don't ever hear. As they bring old money, a bank will they change, will they release new money to outside. We say they declare money. If not be evil. The evil government when we get. When they feel say they have the power to do everything. You have the power to do everything, to suffer the children of God. I will not say anything bad. Now, they say, person when they don't already curse. Person when you don't already curse. You know, this word, there's some things they don't need to curse you. You already curse yourself by yourself. You don't need people to curse you. You don't need people to throw you words. Now, don't already curse you yourself. Anybody when get hand for that money, won't have born, will never be. Not by power, by God's grace, by God's power. When my man not even withdraw money, people, papa, they naked for bank. Now say money no do, now say don't want to born. All those people pain, tears. You know how many people pass this thing? Some girls then they'll rush, they reach hospital, they'll say they need to deposit money before they go do anything. They go reach bank not give them money. Some pass through there they pass on. Through there they pass on. Now see money when I'm born. We don't need to swear for now. Now don't swear for ourselves. God already, in fact, now with God, now we handle now too. I beg, if you vote, no fight. That is why I say no fight. Why you will fight? You the wounded Nigeria citizen. After all the in pain, you see they fight your neighbor. You see they fight your maid. That is your main. That is best 112. Now they fight. Pass the thing together. No, we don't need to fight. We don't need to fight. Go watch no sir. If you need that video, if you ask me, I feel do one or I feel do small video. Then I will put this thing inside. When you need change for your country, you can bring somebody for your village. If you know say that person if you do something, they will vote for him. Now our vote be our power. We don't need to we don't need to fight ourselves. We don't need to do anything. Your vote. I know if you will vote, they no put ox there. No worry. You say many days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. You not believe in your country. You not believe in God. You not believe. If you believe in your country, if you believe in God, you will believe in your country. 1 day God will do it. Now every country, now everywhere, things for hard. But my country, Nigeria, why did he pay me? They change money for this hard time. They change money. They say money when they're born. When money not they outside. God then. Let me leave. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.